Nestled in the heart of Odisha, Jatani is a small town with a big heart. Its streets are filled with friendly locals who welcome visitors with open arms. It rests quietly in the Korda district, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Just 20 kilometers southwest of the bustling capital city, Bhubaneswar, Jatani provides a perfect blend of tranquility and accessibility. Jatani may appear unassuming at first glance with its quiet streets and modest buildings, but beneath its tranquil surface lies a treasure trove of cultural heritage and natural beauty. The town is home to numerous sites that reflect its rich history and vibrant traditions. This charming town beckons travelers to experience its unique rhythm of life, where every corner tells a story and every face has a smile. A blend of age-old traditions and the gentle caress of nature, Jatani offers a peaceful retreat for those looking to escape the modern world's chaos. Jatani is more than just a dot on the map. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. It's a gateway to the soul of Odisha, offering a glimpse into the state's rich cultural tapestry through its festivals and daily life. Its strategic location has earned it a reputation as a significant railway junction, making it a vital link in the region's transportation network. Connecting the bustling metropolis of Kolkata to the coastal city of Chennai, Jatani serves as a crucial transit point for travelers and goods alike. This vital link has brought a constant flow of people and ideas through Jatani, enriching its culture and adding to its vibrancy. Shaping its character and adding to its vibrancy, the town's markets and cultural events are a testament to its dynamic spirit. For those seeking to delve into the heart of Odisha's cultural heritage, Jatani serves as an ideal starting point. Its proximity to other significant sites makes it a convenient base for exploration. Jatani serves as an ideal starting point for cultural tours, offering easy access to many of Odisha's most treasured landmarks. The town's proximity to Puri, a revered pilgrimage site and home to the magnificent Jagannath temple, adds another layer to its allure. Pilgrims often pass through Jatani on their way to Puri, adding to the town's spiritual significance. This connection to Puri enhances Jatani's appeal, making it a key stop for those on a spiritual journey. Jatani embodies the spirit of Odisha, where ancient traditions intertwine seamlessly with the rhythms of modern life. The town's artisans continue to practice age-old crafts, while its residents embrace contemporary lifestyles. In Jatani, ancient traditions and modern life coexist in perfect harmony, creating a unique cultural mosaic that is both timeless and ever-evolving. Jatani's identity is intricately woven with the railway tracks that crisscross its heart. The railway station stands as a testament to the town's role as a vital transportation hub, connecting north to south. Every day, trains rumble through Jatani, carrying passengers from all walks of life, each with their own stories to tell. The railway has not only shaped Jatani's physical landscape, but has also left an indelible mark on its social and economic fabric. The constant movement of people and goods has fostered a sense of interconnectedness, linking Jatani to the wider world beyond its borders. The railway station, with its announcements echoing through the air and the aroma of chai from nearby stalls, serves as a microcosm of life in Jatani. It's a place where journeys begin and end, where hellos and goodbyes are exchanged, and where the pulse of the town can be felt with every arriving and departing train.
Jatani is a town steeped in tradition, where the echoes of the past resonate strongly in the present. The warmth and hospitality of its people are as inviting as the aroma of spices that wafts from its kitchens. The town's cultural tapestry is woven with vibrant threads of art, music, dance, and storytelling passed down through generations. Festivals hold a special place in the heart of Jatani's cultural calendar. These celebrations are a riot of colors, sounds, and flavors, bringing the community together to rejoice in their shared heritage. From the joyous chants during religious processions to the rhythmic beats of traditional drums, Jatani comes alive during these festivities. One can witness the essence of Odia culture in Jatani's everyday life. The intricate designs of rangoli adorning courtyards, the fragrant incense sticks that perfume the air, and the rhythmic chants of priests during puja ceremonies are all integral parts of Jatani's cultural tapestry.
Among the many festivals that grace Jatani's calendar, Ganesh Chaturthi stands out as a truly special occasion. This festival, which celebrates the birth of Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed god of wisdom and prosperity, brings the entire community together in a vibrant display of faith and devotion. This 10-day festival, dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, is celebrated with unparalleled zeal and enthusiasm. Families and friends gather to offer prayers, sing hymns, and share in the joy of the occasion. The town transforms into a kaleidoscope of colors, with elaborate pandals erected to house the deity's idol. These pandals, often adorned with intricate designs and vibrant lights, become the focal points of the celebration. The air buzzes with anticipation as the festival approaches. Streets are cleaned, homes are decorated, and markets are bustling with people buying flowers, sweets, and other offerings. Artisans meticulously craft magnificent idols of Lord Ganesha, each one a testament to their skill and devotion. These idols, ranging from small, simple figures to large, elaborate statues, are central to the festivities. Homes are adorned with intricate decorations, and the aroma of traditional sweets fills the air, adding to the festive spirit. Families come together to prepare these delicacies, which are then offered to the deity and shared among loved ones. During Ganesh Chaturthi, Jatani reverberates with the sounds of devotional songs and the rhythmic beats of drums. These musical offerings create an atmosphere of joy and reverence, uniting everyone in a shared sense of spirituality. Processions wind their way through the streets, with devotees carrying the idol of Lord Ganesha on beautifully decorated platforms. These processions are a sight to behold, with participants dancing, singing, and chanting in praise of the deity. The culmination of the festival sees the immersion of the idol in a nearby water body, marking the end of the deity's earthly visit and a time for new beginnings. This ritual, known as Visarjan, is both a poignant farewell and a hopeful promise of the deity's return next year.
Section 5. Nature's Embrace, Barune Hill. Beyond its cultural richness, Jatani is blessed with a pristine natural setting. Just a stone's throw from the town lies Barune Hill, a verdant oasis that offers respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The hill, with its gentle slopes and panoramic views, is a haven for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. A trek to the summit of Barune Hill is an invigorating experience. The trail winds its way through dense foliage alive with the sounds of birdsong and the rustling of leaves. As you ascend, the air grows cooler, carrying with it the fragrance of wildflowers and damp earth. From the summit, the view is simply breathtaking. The sprawling landscape of Jatani unfolds before you, with its patchwork of fields, houses, and temples. On a clear day, one can even catch a glimpse of the shimmering waters of Chilika Lake in the distance.
Section 6. Chilika Lake, a birdwatcher's paradise. No visit to Jatani is complete without experiencing the ethereal beauty of Chilika Lake. This stunning lake is not just a visual treat but also a haven for bird enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Located a short drive from the town, Chilika Lake is a brackish water lagoon, the largest of its kind in India. Its vast expanse stretches over 1,100 square kilometers, creating a unique ecosystem that supports a diverse range of flora and fauna. This ecological marvel is a sanctuary for a myriad of bird species, making it a paradise for birdwatchers and nature lovers. Over 160 species of birds can be spotted here, especially during the migratory season, when the lake becomes a bustling hub of avian activity. As you approach the lake, the air fills with the calls of unseen birds, their melodies echoing across the water. The symphony of bird calls creates an immersive experience, transporting you into the heart of nature. The sight that greets you is nothing short of spectacular. Whether it's the golden hues of sunrise or the tranquil colors of sunset, the lake offers a mesmerizing view that captivates the soul. The vast expanse of water shimmers under the sun, dotted with small islands and fringed by lush vegetation. These islands are not just scenic, but also serve as important habitats for various species. Chilika Lake is home to both resident and migratory birds, making it a year-round destination for birdwatching. Each season brings a new array of birds, ensuring that every visit offers something unique. Flocks of flamingos create a breathtaking spectacle with their vibrant pink plumage, adding a splash of color to the serene landscape. While pelicans glide effortlessly across the water's surface, their graceful movements a sight to behold. Fish eagles soar high above, their keen eyes scanning the water for prey. These majestic birds of prey add to the rich tapestry of wildlife that makes Chilika Lake a true birdwatcher's paradise. Section 7. Exploring the lake's bounty. The best way to experience the magic of Chilika Lake is to embark on a boat trip. Local fishermen, with their intricate knowledge of the lake's waterways, serve as expert guides, navigating through the maze of channels and lagoons. As you glide across the tranquil waters, keep your eyes peeled for dolphins, otters, and the occasional crocodile basking in the sun. The lake is also home to several islands, each with its own unique charm. Some islands are inhabited by small fishing communities, offering a glimpse into their traditional way of life. Others are home to ancient temples, their weathered stones whispering tales of bygone eras. As the day draws to a close, the setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, casting a magical glow over Chilika Lake. The sight is so captivating, so serene, that it stays with you long after you've bid farewell to this enchanting destination.
Section 8. Jatani, where culture meets nature. Jatani is a rare gem, a place where the vibrancy of culture blends seamlessly with the tranquility of nature. It's a destination that caters to the soul, offering a welcome respite from the cacophony of modern life. Whether you're seeking spiritual solace, cultural immersion, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, Jatani has something to offer everyone. The town's strategic location, its role as a railway junction, and its proximity to other significant destinations in Odisha make it easily accessible. Yet despite its connectivity, Jatani has managed to retain its small-town charm, its pace of life unhurried, and its people genuinely welcoming.
Section 9. A destination for every traveler. Jatani is a destination that lingers in your memory long after you've left its shores. It's a place that beckons you to slow down, to savor the simple pleasures of life, and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, Jatani has a way of capturing your heart. So if you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path destination that offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty, look no further than Jatani. This hidden gem of Odisha is waiting to be discovered.